Kovea believes our technology and effort to make the world's best brands will better the convenience and satisfaction. Best brands cannot be completely solely relying on the power of machinery. Genuine good brands always need the hands of craftsmen. So do Kovea products. Perfect parts are created by hands of multidisciplinary individuals. They are completed strictly according to work standards of each process, from functionality examination to dimensions examinations and preciseness examination using a projector. Complying with the standards finally established on the 30 years accumulated know-how of Kovea, the employees with expertise try to achieve zero defect through preliminary tests by products, packing the only products that pass every items of tests before they are openly marketed. Elaborated details of Kovea products are created by the process management. Best brand evolves and progresses continuously. Customers will turn the back on any company if a company does not present better products. Kovea unsparingly invests money and time in research and development. The company-attached Research Institute concentrates on developing better performance products round the clock, while Kovea returns the interest to customers by minimizing the development expense for which CAD system is utilized. For the recognition, Kovea has ever been certified as InnoBiz in Korea. The R&D effort of the development team increases customer satisfaction, reinforcing the Kovea brand. At every moment, Kovea Research Institute perseveres in the efforts. Good design, good functionality, and Kovea. With Kovea, every moment will be valuable time. Kovea design team makes every effort to create better products. The world's lightest burner weighing only 60 grams. And even the slim design of Alpine pot serving a cup of hot coffee in cold weather were created by the team. Best brand cannot be created only with exclusive functionality. As the representative of general leisure product brand, Kovea leads even the beauty of product. Best brand pleases its tribe, while anyone who uses it will be content with its quality. Basically, in addition to technology and R&D activities, Kovea develops customer desirable products over time and employs marketing strategies leading the target market, keeping pace with the international trends. In addition, Kovea products also boastfully provide the quality complying with international standards. Early in 1989, Kovea acquired the National Quality Certificate and consequently JIA of Japan, CE of Europe, TUV of Germany, AGA of Australia, CSA of Canada, the USA, and other world's major quality standards, etc. With the technical alliance with firms in the USA and Japan, Kovea has made better products. As a result, including the USA, Japan, Germany, Russia, Australia, New Zealand, Chile, Taiwan, and Saudi Arabia, Kovea products are exported to about 30 countries. Shining brilliantly at the moment of extreme breath. Kovea.